Ever wondered what outrageous gadgets are lurking online, even if authorities wish they weren't? Buckle up. From spy tools straight out of a thriller to DIY devices skirting legality, we're counting down 30 banned or borderline gadgets you can actually snag on Amazon. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. 1080p motion detection security camera. Experience discrete surveillance with the TKQTZ 64GB camera pen. This sleek, functional pen conceals a 1080p HD camera equipped with motion detection, ensuring you capture clear video only when needed. Its substantial 64GB storage allows for extended recording sessions, making it ideal for meetings, lectures, or home monitoring. A perfect blend of everyday utility and covert security. Propane torch weed burner kit. Who needs a boring old weed whacker when you have a 180,000 BTU flamethrower for yard work? This propane-powered beast turns garden invaders to ash in seconds and can melt snow or light bonfires with ease. Yes, it's marketed for weeds, and yes, it basically makes you feel like a dragon. Hot tip: use responsibly, or you might toast more than just dandelions. Xprite LED dual visor strobe lights police imitation. Flashing red and blue police-style strobe lights for your car. What could go wrong? This visor-mounted LED bar boasts 32 high-intensity LEDs visible half a mile away. It's great for volunteer firefighters or security, and for giving drivers a heart attack when you roll up behind them. Impersonating law enforcement is generally frowned upon, but if you've ever wanted traffic to part like the Red Sea, here's your toy, just don't blame us when sirens follow. Wall clock hidden camera 1080p spy clock. Is it just a classy 8.7-inch wall clock or an all-seeing surveillance device? Spoiler, it's both. Telling time isn't this clock's only trick. It records 1080p HD video through a pinhole lens on the dial, and no one's the wiser. Babysitters, employees, and meddling roommates, beware. Big Brother might be hanging on the wall. Just remember, the clock never strikes. It records. LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker magnetic real-time tracker. This tiny GPS tracker magnetically snaps under a car and reports its every move via smartphone. Banned for stalkers but beloved by paranoid car owners, it's got a waterproof shell and a battery that just keeps pinging. Whether you're tracking a rebellious teen or tailing a cheating spouse tisk-tusk, this gadget offers covert geolocation at your fingertips. It's Big Brother in a black puck. Use with caution and maybe a lawyer on speed dial. AlphaTech Spy Camera Charger, USB charger, hidden cam. It looks like a regular USB wall charger, but it's secretly recording everything. Plug in this spy camera charger, and it will juice up your phone while capturing 1080p footage through an innocent little pinhole. No Wi-Fi needed, it just loops video to a memory card. Ideal for catching nosy coworkers or untrustworthy house guests in the act. Just don't gift it to your Airbnb host, unless you want your stay to go viral for the wrong reasons. 10,000 lumen tactical flashlight blinding power. Marketed as a flashlight, but essentially a handheld portable sun. This beast claims up to 10,000 lumens, bright enough to fry retinas and send nocturnal critters packing. Waterproof, zoomable, and with an SOS strobe mode. It's a versatile tool turned potential weapon. Shine this in someone's eyes, and you'll see why laser pointers get all the hate. Many places restrict blinding devices, but on Amazon, brightness apparently knows no bounds. Light up the night, just maybe not in your neighbor's face. SOUQDWL wall listening device. Sound amplifier bug. Straight out of a spy movie, this wall microphone device lets you hear conversations through walls and floors. Just press its amplifier disc against a surface, put on headphones, and eavesdrop away on those muffled secrets next door. Contractors use it to detect water leaks, sure, wink wink, but snoops use it to detect gossip leaks. Essentially, it's a professional-grade ear on a wall. Controversial and creepy, yet undeniably cool for your inner James Bond. Shh, listen closely. Did you just hear trouble? SpyFinder Pro Hidden Camera Detector. Privacy in the Airbnb age is no joke. Enter the SpyFinder Pro, a pocket gadget that scans any room for sneaky lenses. Press a button and peer through its viewfinder. Any hidden camera lens glints bright red when caught. This little gizmo exposes nanny cams, bathroom peepers, and other covert cams trying to capture your private moments. Forbidden in some places? Perhaps. But for paranoid travelers and amateur counterspies, it's basically a lifesaver. LED Exhaust Muffler. Tip: Flaming Car Mod. Think Fast and Furious vibes. This carbon fiber muffler tip has built-in LEDs that glow like red-hot flames as you rev. It fits on your exhaust 2.5-inch inlet and makes your car look like a dragster spitting fire at night. Completely illegal on actual roads? In many places, yep. Authorities frown on turning your Honda into a fake flamethrower. But it sure does make an impression at the car meet. It's the ultimate band bling for petrol heads who laugh in the face of regulations and maybe at the face of that tailgater behind them. MecArmy TPX-20 Tactical Pen Titanium Defender. Part writing instrument, part hardcore self-defense tool, this tactical pen is milled from aerospace-grade titanium and features dual tungsten steel strike tips. It shatters glass and could drop an attacker in a pinch, making it effectively a concealed weapon that writes nice thank you notes too. Airlines and courts often ban these pens because they mean business. Carrying one is like having a Kubotan that scribbles. Innocuous until it's not. Hidden Camera Spy Pen, 64 GB. Built-in memory. Ever dreamed of being a sneaky super spy? Meet your new sidekick, the 64 GB hidden pen camera. Scribble notes while secretly filming full HD 1080p videos in classrooms, offices, or boring meetings. Disguised as an innocent pen, it packs rechargeable power for 150 minutes of stealthy spying fun. Includes SD card and extras, because every undercover agent deserves cool gadgets. GTHUNDER Night Vision Binoculars Infrared Goggles. See in total darkness with these HD infrared night vision binoculars. Originally intended for wildlife observers or search and rescue, they're also a privacy nightmare if misused. They come with a built-in 32 GB card to record what you spy at midnight. Imagine snooping on nocturnal animals. Or neighbors don't do that. Some countries restrict night vision tech for civilians, but Amazon's got it. Westinghouse electric heated blanket with timer and memory. What's a heated blanket doing on a banned gadget list? Well, earlier models of electric blankets got a bad rap for catching fire, so heavy regulation ensued. This Westinghouse throw has 10 heat levels and a 12-hour auto-off memory function to keep you toasty and safe. Still, any gadget that could literally toast you if misused raises eyebrows. It's UL certified, but some regions banned older ones outright. Spy Camera. Glasses 1080p video-only eyewear. These 1080p camera glasses look like ordinary specs, but secretly record everything you see. They even come with a 32 GB card pre-installed, since they record video only, no telltale audio due to legal restrictions. Perfect for undercover journalism or, cheating at poker. Many jurisdictions ban recording people without consent, making these shades rather shady. But on Amazon, you can grab a pair and channel your inner mission impossible. Multipick Kronos. Electric lock. Pick gun. The holy grail of lockpicks. This German-made electric pick gun can pop open pin tumbler locks in seconds with minimal skill. It vibrates lock pins rapidly until the door yields. And yes, it's as B and E-tastic as it sounds. Lockpicking tools like the Kronos are restricted or removed from Amazon US, but sneaky listings and Amazon EU still offer it to professional locksmiths. If you're not a locksmith and still buy one, congratulations, you now own a burglary tool. Gun-shaped torch lighter. Full metal revolver lighter. It's a butane torch lighter that looks exactly like a mini handgun. complete with trigger ignition. Not surprisingly, these have been banned in several areas. Flash one and watch people die for cover, or cops draw real guns. The metal pistol lighter shoots a flame instead of bullets, making it a perfect movie prop or prank from hell. Amazon still sells them for now, but know that carrying this lighter in public could land you in hot water faster than its 1300 degrees Celsius flame. Wall outlet. Cameras. Disguised as a simple USB wall charger, this 4-megapixel hidden camera records ultra-clear video with a wide 120-degree view. It streams footage directly to your phone and stores it on a micro SD card. No one will suspect a thing. A stealthy spy cam banned in some settings, yet somehow still available on Amazon. Portable voice changer device phone PC voice modulator. With this handheld voice changer, you can sound like a man, woman, robot, or even a creepy, lowly anime girl at the press of a button. It's a little black box that plugs into phones or computers and instantly disguises your voice on calls or games. Obviously, prank callers and scammers love these, hence the controversy and occasional bans. Become untraceable on Xbox Live or troll your friends. Just don't be surprised if your altered voice lands you in unaltered trouble. Remote control license plate, hider flip and hide system. Straight out of a Bond film, this 12-volt license plate concealer lets you hide or flip your car's plate at the push of a remote. Speed camera ahead? Click and your plate disappears behind a metal shutter. Needless to say, using this on public roads is highly illegal, but gearheads buy them for car shows or off-road pranks. Taser Bolt 2 self-defense device stun gun. The Taser Bolt 2 is a sleek, civilian legal stun gun that fires electrified darts up to 15 feet, locking up an attacker's muscles for 30 seconds. It looks like a futuristic flashlight and even has a safety cap and targeting laser. So why banned gadget? In some cities and countries, any taser is prohibited for civilians. Yet here it is on Amazon, complete with a practice target and spare cartridges. Butterfly Multi-Tool Bottle Opener Balisong Trainer. It's shaped like a butterfly knife, but instead of a blade, it has a bottle opener or comb. This novelty multi-tool flips and fidgets exactly like a balisong, letting you practice tricks without a sharp edge. Why banned? Real butterfly knives are illegal in many places, and cops might not appreciate the distinction when you're twirling what looks like a deadly weapon. Kimber Pepper Blaster 2-Pepper Spray Gun. This pocket-sized pepper spray gun shoots 2 bursts of OC pepper solution at 112 miles per hour, hitting targets up to 13 feet away. The Pepper Blaster 2 is shaped like a funky plastic derringer and doesn't rely on aerosol spray. Instead, pyrotechnic charges blast the irritant out fast even against wind. It's more effective than standard pepper sprays, which is why some locales classify it as a weapon. Yellow Jacket Stun Gun Phone Case iPhone. Disguised as a chunky smartphone case, the Yellow Jacket packs a 7 million volt stun gun and backup battery into one shocking package. Slide your iPhone in, and now it's a high-voltage self-defense tool that can electrocute attackers on contact. At first glance, it's just a bulky case, until it unleashes a painful jolt. Since it merges a weapon with an everyday object, many jurisdictions ban it outright. But that hasn't stopped curious Amazon shoppers. Yanzio SR360U HFRFID Reader Writer Desktop. This innocuous desktop RFID scanner can read and clone contactless access cards like office badges and key cards in seconds. It connects via USB and comes with software to copy RFID tag data or write new tags. Obviously, in the wrong hands, it's a security nightmare. One swipe and your building's secure entry card could be duplicated. Devices like the Yanzio SR360 tow a legal line, sold for inventory and POS warehousing uses, but with a wink to those who know its powers. Key Fob Mini Stun Gun Keychain Taser. Disguised as a car key fob, this mini stun gun delivers a shocking surprise to any attacker. It's tiny, rechargeable, and packs a legal maximum zap around 10 million volts for a device its size. On your keys, it looks like a normal remote, until someone gets too close and you give them the jolt of their life. Some states ban stun devices entirely. Others allow these under certain conditions. Foam nunchucks. Real training nunchaku. Nunchucks are banned as weapons in certain places. New York famously did until recently, due to their lethal rep from Bruce Lee movies. The workaround? Sell them as training foam nunchaku, basically hard rubber or padded versions. Don't be fooled, they can still bruise bones, and many sets include a heavy chain and even metal core. FLIR 1 Pro Thermal Imaging Camera Smartphone Attachment. The FLIR 1 Pro turns your phone into a Predator-style thermal vision device. Plug it into your iPhone or Android and watch heat signatures of people, pipes, or pets on screen. While FLIR is a reputable brand for contractors and firefighters, high-resolution thermal imagers were once restricted export items, military tech, and all. This gadget lets you see in the dark and through smoke, or detect someone hiding via their heat, raising privacy questions galore. USB Killer Pro Kit Computer Kill Stick. Looking like an innocent USB drive, the USB Killer is anything but. Plug it in, and it fries the host device's electronics by dumping a high-voltage DC surge. Originally advertised as a testing device to audit surge protection, it's effectively a laptop TV killer. You can literally destroy someone's computer port in 1 second. Talk about leaving no digital trace. Clearly a malicious item, many platforms banned its sale. Waveshare ESP32S3. This compact development board from Waveshare packs a punch with its 1.69-inch touchscreen, vibrant 262K color display, and built-in accelerometer and gyroscope. Powered by the ESP32S3 chip, it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it ideal for smart wearables, custom UIs, or hacking projects. Despite its power, this gadget toes the line of legality, and yes, it's still available online. From spy gear to shock gadgets, these are 30 insane items Amazon amazingly lists for sale. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the forbidden tech underworld, smash that like button, drop a comment about which gadget blew your mind or which you'd ban ASAP, and don't forget to subscribe for more edgy explorations.